Hi everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that how to save your result in a Word file as a output. As you know that we have done so many tests and estimations using Stata, but the thing is that if we do not know that how to bring our result for presentation or to be set as in paper or in an article, that in all this thing gone as a waste. So we must know that how to save our result in a Word file. So for that, first of all, you have to type in a command here that you must know that either doc file is installed in your Stata or not. So the command is ssc install doc. So when you write this command, it will install uh, doc file in your command. So the command is ssc install as doc. So you have to write this command ssc install as doc. So if it was already installed in your system, then it will give you this result: checking as doc, consistency and verifying not ready installed. So if it is not already installed, then it will install this as doc file in your system. So here you can see that all files already exist and are up to date. So my Stata has already this as doc function installed in it. So if you do not have it, so you have to write this command ssc install as doc. So now let's do some practical work and try to save our result as a Word file. So we are using example data which is already given in the Stata. So go to File and go to Example Dataset. Then click on Example Dataset Install with Stata. And we are going to use, let's say, this data, BP wide data. So then close it and then command as doc. So as doc means save your data result as doc file. Then let's say type summary. So we want the summary statistic or descriptive statistic of these variables. So as doc and summary, and then press enter. So now here you can see that here it has saved our result as a Word file. Now click on it, my file dot. So now here you can see that it has given us result in the Word file. So make sure that if you want to apply any test, so before applying any changes in your command, make sure that this Word file must be closed. So if the Word file is open, then you cannot apply any test to it. So now let's say if we want to have detail of this result, so type as doc, then summary, then detail, and then append. So now you can see that this was our previous result and this was our new result. So in new results is given us percentile, skewness and kurtosis as well. So now when we open it, so here you can see that it has given all the updated results. So now you can see that all our results are present in Word file. So now just we have to interpret these results. So again we have to close it and then come back again. So now type as doc sum bp underscore before. So if we want to see the result of only these variables, that is bp before. So now let's see what it has done. So at the current moment, we are interested only in to see the result of this variable. So we want to see the summary of BP before. So now let's enter it. And now you can see that it has only given us the result of BP before. So now open the Word file. So now here you can see that it has deleted all the result of other things, and it has given only the result for this variable. So now close it and then go to as doc. And if you want to change the summary title, here the table title is descriptive statistics, but let's say I want to change it this title with summary statistics. So how to do it? So type as doc, then comma, then type title, and let's say we want to rename it as summary table, then press enter. So now let's see either it has changed the title or not. So here you can see that now it has changed our title with summary table. So this is how you can change the title of your table by using Stata command. Now again close it, and then if you want to save all the commands that you have done already and you want to keep all these commands, so you have to type bp after and detail, and then you have to type cmd command. So this will save all the previous command that you have already done. So now you can see that we have done these things. Now you can see that we have already applied summary table, and now it given us the command prompt as well, and this give us the all the previous results. So now again close it, and then if you want to let's say change the name of your variables, you want to see only the abbreviation. So here is patient, sex, age group, BP before and BP after. So now if we want to see these variable name of the, we want to see by their first three alphabeticals, like PAT, this has only three variable, three alphabets, and this variable has 5 or 6 alphabets. So we want to see in 3 alphabets. So how to do it? So again, click on command and type as dog. So for saving it as dog, and then type summary, then comma, then ab and 3. So we want to see 3 abbreviation for our variables. So now again, open this file, my file. So now you can see that uh, it it is showing the first 3 alphabet of each variable. So this is how you can change the name of your variables if you want to see them in abbreviation form. So the next thing is that if you want to remove the numbers after the decimal point. So if you want to see that standard deviation have only 2 decimal point, here again we want to see 2 decimal, here we want to again 2 a number after the decimal. So how to do it? So type as doc, then sum, then DEC, and here you have to tell it that how much decimal you want to see in your result. So let's suppose I want to see only 2 decimal in my result. So press enter. So command as doc is, so here is a typo mistake. So we have to write as doc, and I have typed it as add doc. So as doc sum, then DEC, then bracket 2. Now it works fine. Then open this file. So now here you can see that it has only 2 uh, decimal after the point. So now this is how you can increase or decrease the decimals after the point. So if you now close it again, and if you want to save all this work as an output, not with as a my file doc. So how to do it? So type as doc sum bp underscore after and detail, then save and output, then press enter. So now it has saved my file as a output. It is working on it, and it will take 1 or 2 seconds. So now here you can see that it has shown the results are only BP after. So this is how you can done all the things and you this is how you can save your result in a Word file. So if you have any query related to this lecture, you can ask me freely.